Hi everybody!
Hello!
Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
Okay, Van Clan. Today, what's the plan?
Today, we're going to the LTO. We're gonna have to have the van registered.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous about that. Some of the
Yeah.
blinkers are, sometimes they don't blink.
They blink when they want to.
And the headlights don't always turn on. But that's why, I don't know if you can see it against the wall there, but I have the headlights on and I don't want to turn them off now because they might not ever go off. Do you see the reflection on the wall?
Right, yes, I saw it. I see it there at the headlights.
Anyway, let's get to it. LTO, fun place to go, huh?
Okay.
Not fun.
Not fun.
Oh.
Tara na sa LTO!
Suki na kami ng Land Transportation Office Tagaytay Branch dahil one-stop shop na ito. Which means nandito na yung insurance office at smoke emission testing center on-site.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's good.
We'll have to move again when this guy's...
Hello, Miriam. Hi. What are you gonna do while waiting? You can read your books. I brought your books there. You can do English or math. You can just read for fun.
So we made it. We made it to LTO, Miriam.
Yeah!
So they had me park in the corner where there were a bunch of scooters. Hard to get in here with this big thing.
Yeah.
What do you think about being back in the van?
Nice!
Nice, huh? Yeah. So I guess we're just gonna hang out here until they have us go over to the exhaust emissions test. So Bing's out there already. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for Bing. I'm glad Big White got here because Big White was almost 6 months without registration. Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
It's a video, Tatay.
I know.
Yippee so.
Oh, if it's a video, I guess I'm telling everybody. Huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, the beauty of having a camper van is just anywhere you park, you can just hang out. You can eat lunch. You could cook lunch if you want.
Yeah.
Just don't use the induction stove.
Charge your phones.
Charge phones. We're charging our drone battery. You know what that means.
You got
some footage. Yeah. At least this beats having to sit inside it with all those other people.
Yeah.
This is true social distancing here.
Yeah.
Not just for the pandemic, because the pandemic's over, but for
completely
introverts such as myself.
Smashed. Crashed and smashed.
Yeah, so, yeah, look, we even have the fan going.
And passed.
So, it feels nice. If we want some hot coffee, we could just make some hot water there. Of course, Miriam doesn't drink coffee yet, do you?
Nah.
One day.
Still too young.
Another thing that you can do to pass the time while waiting sa LTO Tagaytay ay mamalengke sa Mahogany Beef Market na katabi lang ng LTO. Pwede rin kayong mamili ng mga fruits and vegetables, mga halamang pananim, o kumain ng famous bulalo.
Here she comes. Is it done already? Oh.
Probably another hour.
Another hour?
A long line there, but they're entertaining people by tens, batches of 10 to actually enter the building. So all the while I was outside the building.
Okay, lunch break.
Yeah, there's a long line at the LTO where I have to pay, 30 people ahead of me. It's always the payment that takes long, very long. So.
Oh, Miriam's got her.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, I got the double burger thingy. Bing's got the chicken supreme. I haven't got, but they only have one left.
And pizza.
Last one.
Mango pie.
Bon appetit.
After hours of waiting, natapos din ang transaction namin. Now that the van is registered, ready na kami mag-car camping. Comment below your car camping site recommendations.